Yeah, I will never do that again. I just said before, I just advised to Dan Mardayo, do not create fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. But I hope it will never be happen again. But this time, and I say to everyone, I don't want to imitate Dan Mardayo. Because right now, I just apologize to Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I thought I implicate and I tagged them as a Marcos loyalist. They are not. They are non-political. But I would apologize for all of my mistake. Even to Ate Mel Canete as well. Yeah, I know. When I create a fake account on Facebook, that is my fault too. And I said before, I never want to do that again in the first place. While I was just waiting to wipe the cabinets. But this time, I will never do that again. And here's the lesson to you, Danmar Dayaw. You need to stop creating fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. If he is a pro Duterte, if he is non-political, then just leave him alone. Even you, Cedric, same to you. Because for me, as same of us, like me, when I argue with me and Paulo Cruzada when we were in enemies, I don't want to be happen again at this time. But for me, I will never do that again. And I learned about my consequence. I said, though, I don't want to go in jail also. I don't want to get in prison. I asked Ate Mel Canete, if you want to file the cases against Paulo Cruzada, it's up to you now. He's the one who brainwashed Ate Dina Guillermo to add the group chat also. Even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan for me, for just what I'm saying, it is my fault too that I bullied them. But it's not perjury. It's my fault too that I harass Ate Dina. Unlike Paulo Cruzada, he harassed J. Rick Silva. I'm the one who harassed Ate Dina. That's my fault too. Even Teacher Alex. I regret myself that I'm the one who create fake account and I'm the one who's responsible. Oh. But it will never be happen again. I hope it will never file me a perjury also, but I hope it will never be happen again. And I don't want too much talking about politics. Just like Dan Mardayaw and Paulo Cruzada talking about political. It will never be happen again. But for me, I have to be good. Just like I remember I talked with J. Rick Silva about Tanggol. He create lots of troublemaker, Tanggol. And he makes a lot of trouble. Unlike me, I make a lot of trouble too. Oh, it will never be happen again. In last 2024, I made the press con. I apologized to my dude, Sir Gio Malana or Teacher Gio. I said to him, I apologize to you, dude, and keep playing video games. I will never make a fake account on Facebook. Good to him, he has a PS5. I was not very jealousy. But I hope I will never be happen again. But at this time, just like I said before, hindi na mauulit to. It will never be happen again. But at this time, I want to make a opportunity that I will take a fully responsibility. For me, I never want to make prank call anyway in telephone in my old school in CDIFI. I said I already stopped. Oh, me when I call in Carousel Production, when is the Miss Earth? Oh, 2025. Oh, there's Jessica Lane. Oh, I asked them by November. Oh, I never make prank call. But this one, I say to Paulo Cruzada and Dan Mardayaw, enough about Marcos, because it's really political affiliation, and it's really nonsense. Like Cedric Mariano asking me what he said to me, sino ba gumawa ng fake account? Who's that? Dragon Inclusion Philippines. Oh, it's allegedly it's Danmar. Oh, it's not David Gill. David Gill's Facebook page, he was on this sacramental Christian gift shop. That was his own. Not Dragon Inclusion Philippines. I thought my mom asked me, sino bang gumawa ng may Chinese na Dragon Inclusion Philippines? But it's allegedly it's Dan Mardayaw. He's a guy who's fully political. I do not blame David Gill. I always blame Danmar. That was his own responsibility. And it's not my fault. Oh. If it is not my fault, then it's Danmar Dayaw's fault. Oh. When I make my fault to what I did to Ate Dina and Teacher Alex, I made a fake account. Oh, then that's my fault too. Oh. At least, it will never be happen again. Oh. Yes, perhaps if they not file me a perjury in this situation of these cases, so it's really uncompetitive. Oh, I said that I should tell the truth that I'm the one who did this. Oh, and I said before, I asked the Spedmotics of J. Rick Silva, don't bash Ate Dina Guillermo. You can bash Paulo Cruzada or even Dan Mardayaw. It's up to them, not only Ate Dina, but I apologized to her already. But I said before, if you're watching this, Ate Mel Canete, I know this is my consequence. If I talk with Kathleen, we will have a video call anyway in Messenger. And we will discuss about the what is really happening and the situation is it. So, for me, I will never make fake account again. I should learn about my consequence, and I know I apologize to Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I just told them, don't listen to Paulo Cruzada. Just ignore him. Oh, he's the one who brainwashed you to destroying me. Oh, just ignore him. I just want to tell something. It's important. I just want to make a public apology. Even you, Ate Melo, I said it. I'll never do that again. And I felt sorry to everyone. To made a lots of mistake. To made my consequences. I am here to learn about my situation, and my fault was I will never be happen again. But actually, when I made a mistake, I will never do that again. I've been talk with the J. Rick Silva. I said to him, I told to the Spedmotics, wag mo ibabash si Ate Dina. Ibash mo na lang si Paulo Cruzada at si Dan Mardayaw. It's up to them, not only people. Oh. And I know you can bash Paulo Cruzada only, not Ate Dina. Oh. Because I know this is my fault too. Because I know I'm telling to J. Rick Silva and the Spedmotics, they apologized to Ate Dina, and they said to them, they said to her, um, we apologize to you already. We will not going to bash at you. Oh, unlike me, I will not bash Ate Dina. I said, I'm the one who make fake account of Ate Dina. I said, it is my fault too. Even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, it's my fault too. Oh, I should realize my mistake. Oh, I should realize my consequence. Oh, like I said before, it will never be happen again. I hope for all of you, for both of you, I said, please forgive me for what I made a consequence. And I know this is hard to say. I will never do that again. Oh, I just talked with the Duterte supporters who are bloggers. Don't bash Ate Dina Guillermo. I told them she is very poor. She's non-political. Let her be.